If you're really the professional, you can get your dauber out, and that way you can have a little bit more control on that edge if you want. But again, this is your project. Make it your own.
We're going to take our Midnight Blue Hybrid ink and our dauber, and we're just going to add a little bit of color. Easy way to decorate tags quickly. You can decorate the front side, stamp a to from on the back side, and you have all of your tags done in minutes.
So we're going to go in with the dauber into the ink directly, get it nice and juicy, and then we're going to start to apply the ink wherever you want the red. This ink is hybrid, so it has some pigment properties in it, which makes this technique easier to perform. It's harder to do this with dye ink. Then once I have it all nice and inked up, I'm gonna take it to my paper, stamp it down, give it good even pressure, and it looks all Christmassy and celebrate-y.
I'm gonna start off by showing these clear stackable sponge daubers. These are from Scrapbook.com. They come in this nice little kind of cylinder case, and they're all stacked up, so they're really great for storage in your craft room. So I'm gonna take out a couple of these daubers so we can use them on today's project. And I'm gonna be creating some stamped effects on the background of my card. So I'll start off with this green color here. This is green 2 from the Scrapbook.com hybrid inks. I'm just going to load it up with a little bit of ink, and then we can just stamp it down onto my surface. And these are nice small daubers, so they give you that really fun circle kind of stamped effect.